Howdy, my name is Hugh. I am the Vice President of Corporate Operations here at Springfield Marine. Welcome to this video. We're so excited you are interested in our HR position. I'll be taking you through some of our requirements and what your responsibilities might be. Whoa, I didn't see you there. But since you are here, let's tell you a little bit more about this position. Here at Springfield Marine, we are dedicated to building a culture of continuous improvement. What that means is we want problem solvers, not just skills. So if we hire a welder, they're not just going to be welding. We're going to expect them to improve the process of welding, maybe even eliminate the process of welding if necessary. As an HR professional, your job is to help us grow our vision and mission around that. We need to be hiring the right people, onboarding them, and then changing policies to make our overall work experience better.
Springfield Marine is a lean manufacturing company that is dedicated to building a culture of continuous improvement. We aim to serve our customers with the highest ability and quality. And at the present, we specialize in seating and hardware for the marine industry.
It's also important to remember that Springfield Marine is not just a local company here in Missouri. We're international, and we've been around for 67 years. It means that we're going to be looking for world-class people and problem solvers that can keep us around for another 67 years. Now, let's get into those roles and responsibilities. Well, who's late? 10 minutes to be exact. We're docking your pay. On a serious note, you would be here for the HR position, so most of your functions would be around onboarding new employees, finding new employees, keeping track of personnel records, and doing payroll activities. But since we are a small company, sometimes we'll be required to wear multiple hats. Let's get into what those hats are. In addition to your HR responsibilities, you'll also be helping support the accounting department via paying out during payroll and other utilities and bills, and some receiving things. Some of your miscellaneous responsibilities would also include helping to run the safety meetings, being a part of the safety team, and helping assist in fire drills. Helping plan for company functions such as Thanksgiving and Christmas dinners, and helping to coordinate the decorations. Other miscellaneous roles you might be doing would be similar things like the state sends us the vehicle registration forms. We need to make sure that the vehicles are current. We need to get the proper licensing. We need to make sure our forklift operators are licensed to drive the forklifts and those kinds of things. Now, we talked a lot about the roles and responsibilities for day to day, but we don't want you to lose sight of the fact that your purpose in joining our team, we hope, is to help us on our journey continue the growth and improving upon our culture of continuous improvement. Here at Springfield Marine, we have great benefits to include health, dental, and vision insurance, 401k plus matching, and a competitive salary. Salary will be determined based on your experience level. If you're interested, go ahead and send us your resume. But if you're really interested, go the extra mile, pull out your cell phone, turn it around, or have somebody else shoot a video for you. Tell us a little bit about who you are, where you're from, what your hobbies are, and why you think you'd be a good fit, and what you think qualifies you for this position. Don't worry about the formatting. It doesn't have to be special or fancy. And by the way, this whole video is shot on a cell phone. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you're still watching, it means you might be interested. So if you are interested, we encourage you to go ahead and send in your resumes. Again, as HR, while you might not be the king of the jungle, you will be the gatekeeper, and you'll keep that gate closely tiled. So we only allow the best folks to come work with us and our team.